again. Back at it again, y'all. It's been a while. We out here from the rock and roll. We out here in oh yeah, we in West Memphis, Arkansas. We about to do pressure wash three sides of this house here. Change the sunglasses. These are my good ones. I don't want the good ones to get messed up. It's right here. Change these real quick. Give me 2 seconds. There we go. All right, now we good. These are the pressure washing glasses. Mr. Mo Pressure. Here we go. So yeah, we got three sides to this house. I'm gonna show you right quick. We gotta do the turn around, don't rotate. We get all that right there. All that can sit in the spot. All this front area. All that up there. Clean all that too. And just because I was in a good mood yesterday, I was just gonna do that one side right there for 175. But since I was in a good mood, I'm gonna try for 210 to do the front of all this from the house. And we gotta knock out that nest up there. So we're gonna clean the front off. We got some SH, so it won't be a problem. And then we're gonna knock out this side over here too. Giving her a good deal today. Felt good when I came over here, so gonna give her a good deal. Like I said about the rock and roll, going downstream this project. So let's keep you. Oh yeah. Come on, we're gonna go this way. Sorry, my cameraman's acting a little crazy, but we'll get you guys to see some of what I'm doing. So let's go over here. Oh, we gotta get that too. We gotta get all that. So. We'll get what we can get, guys. Check your boy out. You know what? It don't matter. Let's go back this way. I'm gonna just so you can just see me pressure wash. You ain't seen me in a while, so let's just get the action. Let's just get to going. Let's just get to going. Alright. I got this new swivel on here, y'all. Where's the got this new swivel right here? Oh my gosh, work wonders. Love it. We do have a remote downstream injector, so we're going from rinse to mix. Boom. Check your boy out. Got the soap coming up. So let's do it. gonna hit the front and then we'll hit the front. Then go back and do the other side and rinse it off. Back to the other side.